Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to erase a me on your typical Wii. So you would go hit the home button on the Wiimote, that button there, hit that, and then you get this dialog here. So you select Wii menu, and then it says, are you sure you want to go back to a Wii menu? Select yes. And then you wait for a sec while the whole system kind of reloads itself. There we go. And then you select Me channel. Select it, and then start. Now you wait a second. Now you pick the me you want to erase or delete, basically. So you select one that you don't need by using A and B, so the round one and the trigger. So you can see there. This is every single one we've got. And then you drag it to erase me. And then it comes up with, are you sure you want to erase this me? And then you select erase on this pop-up. There we go. And now it's gone. So that was basically just a quick tutorial video on how to delete a me. So we'll go through it one more time. So you select the one you want, move it to the erase me, and then you get this dialog, and then you select erase. There you go. See, and now it's gone. And that was it for this video. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what other videos you want to see. I can try and get around to doing those for you guys. And that's it.